Alright, well, I don't know if it looks different for you guys, but I got a new camera. I have the DJI Action 5 Pro. That's mostly why I stopped recording for a while, because my GoPro was overheating and I had to delete a bunch of footage. Anyways, but today's video, the reason you clicked on this video is I'm gonna be testing out 5 trending products from TikTok Shop that could be used for your car. Okay, first on the list, coming in at $7.99, we have Boom Boo. What the? So I got a rear view mirror, but it looks like it just attaches onto the previous mirror. But I don't remember my mirror being like this long to attach to, so that might be a problem. But let me see if I put this on there and lift this. Oh, can you guys see that? That's actually sick. So I didn't end up putting that mirror because it ended up giving me a headache, but it was a cool concept. Next on the list, I actually have 2 products that come in at $9.99. So one of the items is the Intelligent Car Aroma. So it's pretty much a little diffuser. You just plug it in onto a vent, and then you put the aroma that you choose. It sucks that it doesn't say like a specific scent. I think these are all supposed to be black ice from what I remember. I don't know what that is. Okay, so you actually just press it once to go through the colors. See, purple, green, blue, and just let go, and then it'll do it automatically. I'm actually gonna charge it fully, and then we'll test it in my car. Then I can see myself using these only because the trees last me at least a good 3 days. But this, if it works properly, will last me even longer. Single press to turn it on. I have it on purpose, so it's gonna be doing it every 10 seconds. And I'm actually gonna turn on the air so I can like circulate. I think the air was probably too much for it, because it's not even puffy now anymore. Dang, I broke it just with the cold air. I don't recommend this. The next item is, so it's like that little cymbal, the drum thing. What do we call it here? Car cymbal. So the next item, we have a car cymbal. Doesn't come with no directions. So it comes with this connection port. I'm not too sure how this went down. Let's see. So I'm guessing this goes inside the vent, hooks on, tighten it, and this should go this way, right? This should go this way. As same thing for this one. So pop it on. I'm pretty sure this has like a sticker on it, but I'll take it off in the car. And on the very last part goes the cap. Oh yeah, figured it out. But the only thing is that's gonna be in the way. If I put it here, it's gonna be in the way of the maps. Put it right here, put it right here. I just put it here for the meantime. So here we go. This is the cymbal, or the little. The next trending item that we have is, I don't know how that item actually came out more expensive than these other items. Next item we got are some lights, and these are the lights. Hey, but they're pretty bright. My plan is to put them underneath like the dash, like underneath my feet, underneath the passenger feet, and I'll figure out a spot for the back ones on. So orange, blue, red. Yeah, it's pretty sick. Let me go ahead and turn off the lights, and I guess there's modes. So I have like a strobe. So the next item we have is I get the Slim V8 Apex Black Fanttik's car vacuum. I think it'll be better if I just unbox this in the car. This comes with a lot of accessories. Another. It kind of looks like a water bottle. I'm planning on doing the same concept but with different apps like Temu, Shein, and all those. So subscribe for that so you can see that in the future video.